My name is Chris and welcome to the channel. I'm here to teach you all about the skills and knowledge it takes to be an instrument technician in industry today. Firstly, if you don't already know, I'm going to explain what an instrumentation technician is and what it is we do. I've been an instrument technician for over a decade now, working in the oil and gas industry for the last 6 years. An instrument technician generally works on automation and safety equipment within industry. Industry has various types of process variables it wishes to control. Here are the main ones you will find. Pressure. This could be the pressure of gas within a pipework. Temperature. The temperature of a reactor, for example. Flow. The flow of chemical dosing in a process plant. Level. This could be the height of liquid in a vessel. And pH. This could be the pH of a wastewater system, for example. Instrument technicians interact and work on all the equipment that measures and controls these process variables. All of this equipment forms part of a process control loop that aims at controlling a process variable at a desired set point. A process control loop is made up of the following parts. You have a process variable, a set point, sensor, logic solvers, and actuators. So these are all quite confusing. So let's start with an example we're all familiar with. A home heating system. Now, this isn't exactly how all heating systems work, but it will help us understand a process control loop in terms we're all familiar with. In our example of a home heating system, we have all the components of a process control loop. So let's start with the set point. Now this is the temperature we decide we want our rooms to be, so we're nice and comfortable. You have the process variable. This is the actual temperature of the room at this very moment. You have the sensor. In this example, the thermostat of the heating system is the sensor. It senses the temperature of the room and sends a signal of the current temperature to the boiler. Moving on to the logic solver. Our boiler electronics is acting as the logic solver. Now this compares the set point, which is the temperature we want our room to be, to the process variable, the actual temperature of the room. And the electronics then decide whether to turn the boiler on or off. We also have the actuator. So the actuators act to manipulate and control the process variable. Our radiators in the room are the actuators. When the boiler ignites and pumps hot water to the radiators, our rooms start to warm. So all these separate parts all work to keep the room